Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ime. This is, of course, Unbox and Chill. Thank you guys for stopping in. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Just kind of helps YouTube recommend our channel, helps us grow. Do appreciate you doing that. It takes like 1 second. But also, we have an unboxing. That's, of course, why we're here. We're going to take a look at a Watch Gang wheel spin watch. Bear with me 1 second, okay? I will say in terms of a wristwatch check, I'm wearing a TCM, Terra Chilamari. That's what I got on today. Nice automatic chronograph, and then I do have a, I put this aftermarket mesh bracelet on it, so I'm more of a stainless guy, to be honest with you, but it did come with a beautiful blue leather strap, so that I do still have. So, all right, let's get everything ready. Let's move everything to the side. Hope everybody's week is going good so far. Like I said, get your Red Bull, and we'll check this out. So, this is it here. We're bringing in, and this is the DK, which I must say is a very strange name. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me turn the studio lights on here. Okay. Let me reach over here. There we go. So we've got the IDK here, and this model is the AK6261. One thing that kind of annoys me is with cheaper watches, which this is completely free, but for some reason they always do this. They give it some ridiculous name. You know, this is the 12964A2000, and I'm like, guys, nobody can tell the difference between. What would it take for you to give this just a simple name so that we could actually tell this apart? You know, kind of the generic model number names, which is just kind of annoying. It does say that it's the retro collection, but, you know, the model is some random stream of numbers. So, you know, I don't know, it's marketing, whoever, like, just give it a name, you know? So, let's go ahead and get this out of here. Let's get the top off. And what's interesting about this is that it's got like a Kermit situation going on here. So let's pull this out. As you can see, of course, guys, this was on the first tier. So the box is definitely something cheap here. So as we pull this out, you can see we've got IDK, international warranty. You've got let me put that back in. Just a super cheap paper box, but that's kind of what we expect at this particular price point. You've got a little window here or something so that you can see the IDK. So let's put that to the side. In terms of the actual watch, the AK6261, bit of a mixed bag here. So the bracelet does, I will say, looks nice, but does feel very cheap. In terms of the clasp, let's see here. Yeah, you got that kind of clasp, the very cheapy pressed clasp, which at this kind of $65 price point, you know, that's understandable. But what I think you also get, as I go in here for some detailed shots, guys, is not an overall terrible looking watch. Just to let you guys know, you do get a Japan-made VX16 movement. That's what they're saying is in this particular one. It does say that it has I'm just kind of going down the specs here. It says special day date with with retrograde day counter, screw down crown. So it does have a screw down crown. As you can see, you do get that kind of, it does tell you the day there. That's a complication that comes on this watch. I do like the red tip on the seconds hand there. In terms of the dial, it does say black sunray dial. Well, this is barely. So we might have taken a liberty there. Of course, mineral crystal. This is 5 AMT water resistance. Let's see here. It says stainless steel, silver tone green bezel. Okay, so you have the green bezel there. Let's see here. Other than that, looks like it has a 41 millimeter case size. Is that what that says? No, it says 47 millimeters. No way. All right, I gotta try this on. I don't know if this is 47 millimeters. That's pretty big, and it doesn't look that big. Let's see here. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's another thing too on these watches. Let me, as I zoom back out real quick, you never have the specs are just kind of all over the place. I feel like usually not written by someone that's a native English speaker. So usually the specs are just kind of all over the road here. I believe that's supposed to be a 1 and not 47, just because I'm trying the watch on right now as I just strapped it up, and there's no way that that's 47 millimeters. So I have an 8 1/4 inch wrist, guys. I would know if this is 47. I believe this watch is about 46 or so. Yeah, there's no way. That's definitely smaller. So there's no way that that is gonna be 47 millimeters. So I don't know if that's a typo, but it definitely says case size 47 millimeters. I don't know. But overall, I don't think it looks terrible on the wrist, honestly. This could be one of your, like I usually call my theme park beaters. The watches that look the part nice enough to wear to a theme park or someplace, or a concert or someplace where things might get a little physical. But I don't want to pull out anything nice, and I'm not going to wear this. I'm not going to wear my Oris. I'm not going to wear something nice. So. Like I said, not an overall terrible looking piece. I'd like to know if you guys would wear this, honestly, in the comment section below. But this one's from watchking.com. It is from their watch wheel. Okay. Like I said, I don't know. I'm definitely not going to hold on to this. I may end up getting rid of it. I may give it away. We do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so if you can hear my voice, like I said, join the Unbox and Chill family. Hit that subscribe button. Join the gang. And other than that, I'm going to leave it right there, guys, just because this is extremely underwhelming. There's not a whole lot to say about this. So some other watches I could talk for longer, but this is extremely underwhelming. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram. Give us a follow. We're at Unbox and Chill. So you'll see my red logo, everything. Join us over there as we keep the discussion going. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. I do appreciate it. This is E-Made with Unbox and Chill. Signing out.